My topic is to accelerate the embedded innovation and empower the AI in the industrial application. Actually, in the past 3 years, there are a lot of changing and challenges. The COVID-19, the inflation, the city lockdown, supply chain constraint, a lot of things happen. But actually, I also see the technology and innovation happened, which leads to the new demand and new opportunity. After or post the pandemic, I can see the ESG and AI is leading the direction. Of course, before, during the COVID-19, we are more focused on the medical equipment. A lot of shipment happened in the past 1 or 2 years, and we are trying to fulfill all the shipment. And in the future, actually, there are new direction, new opportunity is happening. For example, the EV charging station, EV charging port, EV car, in the coming 10 years, for sure, that's a new opportunity. The green energy, management, energy generation, charging, dispatching, all those kind of power management, that's a trend. Regarding the logic design, because the climate, the weather is changing, so extreme weather outdoor will also generate many opportunities. Artificial AI is everywhere. 2 years ago, 3 years ago, we don't feel that, but now it's become more and more true. No matter in the retail shop, in the custom gating inspection, all those kind of things are happening. Factory inspection, AOI, etc. 5G networking. Actually, all the data before is just maybe text. Before, 10 years ago, it text, message, something like that. But now it's photo, graphic, video, motion, vision, live stream. So all this need networking. A lot of data generate every second and accumulate and distribute and transfer. Semiconductor, there are many demand happening in IC testing. The silicon wafer, transportation, loading, stepping, all those kind of also equipment for the semiconductor manufacturing. So a lot of new equipment opportunity happening. Robotic, industrial robotic, service robotic, that's what happening now in logistics, in hospital, restaurant, parcel delivery, etc., security as well. Autonomous cars, yes, that's a trend for sure. Everybody enjoy how convenient that are. First of all, I want to mention the trend, the mega trend of IEM manufacture. Actually, they are shifting from in-house production to semi-outsourcing or complete system outsourcing. What they focus now is on the software. Software decide the application, decide the industrial, decide the business model, actually. And Advantech, we are professional in dealing with the silicon vendor, including x86, Intel, AMD, NVIDIA, and XP, etc. So we know we are following up closely the roadmap of silicon. So we are 100% we are a professional in the silicon roadmap and computing platform. So they consign or they cooperate with Advantech for the hardware development. And what their focus is the DS and AI application, and also the business model. They focus on the equipment, not just a product. They provide service and the product and the new business model and change the rule of the game, equipment game. So now I'll talk about the Edge Plus, the trend of the embedded computing, edge computing. First is regarding high-performance computing. Why I mention this, as I told you, all the data is becoming motion, vision, and live stream. So the data is exploding. They need high-power computing to handle that, no matter networking or data processing. Second is remote management is a must. Why I say that is because the IoT deployment, including the drone, the AMR, all those kind of devices, there could be thousands deployed in the field. So how to manage the device in the proper way, and data management, well, device management, all those kind of things, OTA, for example. So remote management is a must in the IoT, since quantity will keep increasing. Not linear, not in the linear way, it's an explosion way. Data security, yes, they try to hijack and control devices. So security is very, very important, and we cannot avoid that. Number 4, software-defined application. Frankly speaking, hardware become more and more generic. Of course, we have a CPU, GPU, DPU, those kind of definition, diversify of the processor, but actually application define many things by vertical, by application. So software become more and more important in the industry. So before we cooperate with a hardware company, but in the future, Advantech have to work with the software company, AI company, for the vertical. Artificial technology is everywhere. Yes, everywhere. In the retail shop, in the factory, logistic, transportation, it will become more and more familiar. People were familiar with those kind of AI. And the last one is cross-field cooperation. It's a way to win. So it combined the equipment builder, the hardware supplier, the software supplier, system integrator, the, for instance, OS, Linux, Ubuntu, remote device management, data management, all those kinds of software hardware integration become more and more important, and that's the must and the way to win. Now back to my topic today, the embedded innovation. Actually, we will have a 4 area for Advantech to focus. Number 1 is provide the leading technology for the silicon vendor, from the silicon vendor. Of course, we have 86, we have MSP, AMD, also the new supplier from China, for instance, Rockchip, right? We have a vendor from Taiwan, MediaTek. Those kind of chip, actually, they're not just involved in the CPU, but also GPU and DPU. So it's more and more diversified. So Advantech's function or job, responsibility is to deliver the updated and latest technology to our customer. Number 2, we can offer a vertical-oriented service and solution. For instance, HPC, green energy management, robotic, and mission critical. We have a know-how, we have the experiences in the field, so we can offer the optimal and best solution to our customer. Number 3, embedded software add-on service. Advantech is not just a hardware company. We are also try to offer the software service value to our customer, including Linux, Ubuntu, device on, what I mentioned, device remote management, data management, OTA, all those kinds of things, cybersecurity. Also, that's one of we have a distributorship for Aconis and also McAfee. Number 4, enable the online support capability and working model. Actually, we want to deliver the in-time support and break out the geographic limitation. So we offer the online Linux, AIM Linux forum to support our customer in the real time. Actually, we accumulate over 15,000 power users already. Talk about the computing platform new technology. Advantech provides a very wide range of the platform, from data, server and data center, to mainstream platform desktop, and to mobile and AI focused. And last one is low power application. The silicon including AMD, Intel, AMD, Rockchip, as I mentioned, is a China brand. Jason, NVIDIA, also the low power solution. High performance edge computing. Actually, it's a very popular word in the last 2 years. As I mentioned, in the 5G networking, in silicon or wafer testing, DRAM, NAND flash, SS testing devices, we have many useful use case happening. The DRAM or NAND flash or SSD equipment builder, they are using our HPC CAM module as a computing platform. Also in China, we have a customer use our HPC, CAM HPC as a networking device computing platform. So we have the product from Intel, server grade HPC ARC 7060. Actually, it's powered by Intel Xeon D with a 10 core extreme computing power. It's excellent in the motion vision and AI inference all-in-one system. We also have a product based on AMD EPYC with 8 core, 16 core, 64 cores platform. Actually, this is the best price performance platform in the market. Talk about AI. AI is everywhere. So what we can do is, besides provide the AI accelerated GPU integrated platform, but also we provide the software for AI SDK from Intel, but also from NVIDIA to accelerate our customers' time to market. So we also provide the Edge AI Suite, as I mentioned, the SDK, the AI Linux, the online forum, also IoT connectivity software, WISE, device on. Robotic OS, this is for the AMR and self-driving devices. In the morning, NVIDIA, Mr. Kim already mentioned, actually Advantech is the first supplier to offer the NVIDIA Orin platform. This one is example for the Xanvia. We performance up to 21 TOPS. So this is entry level, suitable for HVMR, delivery robot and traffic monitor. And this device, AL030, this is the first devices from third-party supplier co-work with NVIDIA. We are #1 supplier over the world to deliver the Orin, NVIDIA Orin system. The performance up to 275 TOPS, so which is very powerful platform for AI, AOI defect inspection, industrial robot, also real-time surveillance application. This product will be ready in January 23, and we are #1. And this one is, we also work with the MediaTek. MediaTek is a very strong supplier in the mobile silicon, but also they want to enter into the AI and IoT world. So they come to us, come to Advantech, and we work together and work out this platform based on NVIDIA IoT AI chips. This is a 2.5-inch single board computer, powered with we call ISP 3810. We have a demo board outside. This is for light AI application with low power. So if you have those kind of application in the equipment control, data acquisition, or networking management, you can add on those expansion card and fit in this single board computer. So this is depends on your application. This is entry-level AI single-board computing. Talk about the useful case in green energy solution. Actually, for green energy, we can divide it into 4 areas. One is the energy generation. Second one is energy storage. Number 3 is EV charging station solution. And last one is management center. And we have the product suitable for these 4 applications. PCR32, which is suitable for solar light, power generation management. EI52, this is the EI, edge intelligent devices, industry grade, suitable for the management gateway in the energy storage cabinet. And we have EV charging port, the platform suitable EV charging port design in. So we have an NIO 5375 to integrate all the I/O and devices peripheral for the EV charging devices. And the last one is for the management center control with the ARC 7060. It's a high performance edge server. And talk about the EV charging, as I mentioned, we have a very successful design case happen all over the world. And we offer a single board computer to integrate all the peripheral devices and I/O, including the, and also connect with the control room, the power meter, PLC logic, billing, monitor, control HMI. These are the details, but however, we provide a total solution. You can see below the wireless module, storage and memory, the display, the ADAM, data acquisition, etc. So we have a total solution for EV charging port. And talk about the value-added software. As I mentioned, Advantech is not just a hardware supplier. We are also provide a service, software service. So these are the services we are offering. First one is always a compatibility service. We offer the Microsoft Windows 10, Ubuntu OS support. Second, we offer the IoT device management software we call WISE Device On for remote management. And number 3, we offer the Edge AI suite for AI computing for the SDK, including OpenVINO and NVIDIA SDK for AI. This is the architecture of the AIM Linux. AIM Linux is a unified embedded platform for Linux. We provide a unified code and industrial I/O driver for our customer to integrate all the different peripheral driver integration. So you don't have to understand detail, but anyway, because Intel x86 and Windows, all the drivers are ready. But for ARM and Linux, everything you have to develop by yourself. So that's the reason we provide this unified platform to our customer. So you can shorten your software porting timing and escalate your time to market. Device On, this is a device management software, connected device connectivity and management, data management, OTA, etc. So we have Device On IH. This is for data and edge management. We have a Device On ComBridge. This is the device protocol conversion application or function. And we have a Device On Kiosk. This is for remote kiosk management. And we have a Device On Display. Actually, this is a remote management for the display devices. We have a e-paper solution. Also, we have a SQ Flash, SSD storage management software as well. So it's the combination of this kind of peripheral and protocol for your IoT connectivity and IoT application and management. talk about the industrial peripheral. Advantech not just offer the computing platform and software, but also we offer the very complete industrial peripheral solution, including the Wi-Fi module, the memory, the storage, the display, and also e-paper solution. Actually, all these products, most are developed by ourselves, so we own the core technology. And in the end, I want to mention the embedded design-in service. This is our core business for past 30 years, and we'll keep improving and improving. Now we are #1 all over the world. We acquire more than 38% of market share now. And actually, the Advantech total, the worldwide revenue this year will achieve $2.4 billion. So every year we have a double-digit growth continuously. Why? Because we are very focused on what's our experience, our expertise. Design is one of our expertise. So we offer not only the complete wide range of the computing platform, but also the BIOS customization, the thermal solution, the carrier-board design, the peripheral integration, also the software integration, AI, IoT software, connectivity, remote management software. So that's what we are doing, and that's our direction. So this is the page I want to brief my presentation today. So what's our value? I think Advantech provides the latest new technology, including the hardware or software. We deliver the latest and the newest technology. We work closely with the silicon vendor. Second, we offer the vertical-oriented product solution. As I mentioned, we have many partners over the world in different verticals. Some of the vertical is really new, but we have a chance to understand and work with them, so we can offer those kind of solutions to our partner. And the last one is we offer the embedded software, value-added service. Many of the hardware companies, they cannot offer the software solution, but Advantech, we are doing our best to offer it, to increase the value in our service besides hardware. So what's the purpose is we want to speed up the implementation of your AIoT solution. That's our purpose, and your success is our success. So that's the end of my presentation, and I hope you enjoy the forum and enjoy the time. And thank you very much. Thank you.